What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Today's episode we're going to be covering Gordon Murray's new track focus TS or T50s. It's an absolute beast of a machine. Triple F connection, Matt Armstrong and a few others as well. Before we jump into it, guys, please do check out my other videos. Get involved, do comment below. I bring up your comments every Sunday. It's a discussion channel, and smash the subscribe button, because every subscription that we get is a step closer to getting a project car for the channel. I want to get you a project car, but I need your help. We're currently saving for the project car. I've already saved €210. We're aiming for around the €3,000 mark for the car that I want. So with your help and just getting involved, yeah, just be great, guys. So give the channel a chance. So as I said, we're going to jump into today's episode and not piss around too much. We're going to kick it off with Gordon Murray's, as I said, it's the T50s. It's the track focused. He made it for his long-time friend. They were in Formula 1 racing together, NIKI, LAUDA, and he's only made 25 of these. Now I'm going to just give you the specs that I know here. I don't want to like ruin the whole thing, but maybe I might by just giving you the specs. But I highly recommend, in the description below, go and check out the video. It is amazing, the story behind how he ended up coming up with the rear fan on the back of it. And yeah, it's just a really good video to watch, and just some of the specs in it as well. So this car, as I said, is going to be priced at 3.1 million. There's only be 25 of them made. It's a 3.9 litre V12, and it revs up to 12,100 RPM. There's 725 brake horsepower. And here's the kicker, guys. When it hits 50 miles an hour, there is a fan in the rear back of it. When that fan kicks in and you're basically going full pelt, it can generate a downforce of 1500 kg. That is an unbelievable amount of downforce. And as he explains in the video, when they first made this Formula 1 car, they basically were, they got around the loophole. It was kind of cheating, but not essentially. Because they could go into the corners an extra 30 miles an hour more than anybody else, they were just destroying the competition. And he's added it to this track car now as well. It's such a piece of art. It's some track car. I suppose if it won the LAUDA, it would definitely be up there to consider to buy. It's a single seater in the middle, and yeah, what a piece of machinery. The front of it kind of gives me a bit of the headlights, just in front of it, a bit of a Celine S7 vibe, just that bit. I just don't know, just some angle to it. So, but I love the colour on it. Yeah, guys, go down, click on that link and watch it, because whoever's 3.1 million, I'd say it'd be a very, very good buy, and it's light as hell as well. So definitely check out the video, and the stats in this thing are insane. Next up, guys, is going to be Dip Your Car. So Dip Your Car, basically Fonzie has gotten his dream car, which is an Audi RS6 Avant, and he's put the first spray or first dip on the car. And as I said this when Mia's Gallardo got wrapped, it was going to be a very popular colour, the sand colour, but he ended up, but his one came out really nice with the glass wheels. So here is a quick clip for you guys. And there you go. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this colour. Is it a colour that you would put on your car? I think it does suit the RS6, and it suits Mia's Gallardo and DDE. You have to be very, I think, particular with the shape of car that you put it on, as in, like, you just couldn't throw it on any old car, like my MK5 Golf. Well, you probably could, but you want to be putting on the right mods, the right wheels, you know, some shiny carbon bits as well. I do like the colour. It's been growing on me. I thought I would never like it, but it looks really sweet on that RS6 Avant. I must say it's a very, very nice colour, and yeah, definitely guys, check out the video if you want in the description below as well. Next up is going to be Matt Armstrong. This guy, just have to keep covering him all the time because he keeps coming out with an epic video after an epic video. He has gone away and got a twin turbo, or 2 turbos for his twin turbo setup for his Gallardo. Yeah, straight in there, huh? He wasn't fucking around, was he? Basically, he said it was the most expensive thing he's ever ordered for a car. I don't know what brake horsepower he's going to push for. I'm pretty sure his is the 5.2 litre V10. But yeah, he's not messing around with this one. It's going to be an insane build when it's done. That's going to be some horsepower to be driving if he's never driven that horsepower before, and he's with the right guys to do it. So I can't wait to see this thing finished and what body kit he puts on and wheels and stuff. Guys is crushing it, like, and I'm really enjoying his content. So highly recommend guys getting over to his channel, help him to get 200,000 subscribers, and definitely check out his video because he's got some unbelievable content coming up in the next 2 vids as well. Next up for me, it's going to be we're going to end up covering Throttle. So Throttle, their latest video was more work being done on the NSX that they bought, and the reason I'm bringing it up is because they've done a rotary swap out kit of new brake pads, but they've also sprayed the brake calipers as well. And it's exactly what I would love to do whenever I do a project car. These new brake brake discs by EBC, they're like a matte black. They are gorgeous looking. I love them, and I love that they went with a fluorescent yellow on the brake discs, or not the brake discs, the brake calipers. I would, whenever we get a project car, I'm definitely going to go down that route. I checked EBC's website, and you can get, it's going to cost around €500 for me to get the kit for the front and back for the discs and the brake pads. But I'm definitely probably going to go and do the calipers fluorescent yellow. I love bright colours, it's just me, but it really came out really, really well. They've been doing some really nice mods with the NSX. So I'm interested to see what else to do with it, but just these hints of fluorescent yellow here and there on the black, it looks really sweet. It's come out so nice, this NSX. So check out their video in the description below guys, definitely worth a watch as well indeed. Last up on the list is going to be F Connection. So they have decided to bring out they were going to do some sound testing. People were complaining about the sound, and they basically said that look, we'll take out the GT4, and they got new HRE wheels on it, and they are stunning. I have a massive soft spot for the GT4. I really like them, and ones in like a satin white with gold or brushed bronze rims look so nice on the car. These HREs are pretty sweet on it. They are getting a new exhaust system for the car as well, and these guys, like, they brought out the McLaren Sabre as well in the snow. Like, they literally have buying these cars and they're driving them, which is brilliant. They're getting a new house built, this new mansion as well, so they drove up there to get some shots of the the Porsche and the Sabre together. And yeah, I just really like the stance of the GT4 with they're like a bronze gold kind of a wheel, and the Sabre and it beside it is just unbelievably sweet. F Connection, I think they're up to nearly 44,000 subscribers right now. Yeah, they're just crushing it guys. Definitely check out the video below in the link in the description. Very well worth it indeed. So that is it for today guys. Thanks a million if you have watched till the end, and even better if you subscribe. And all my regular commenters, get commenting, smash that like button pretty please. Hopefully we can build this channel up. I just give it a chance. I will give you the content you deserve. We are in a lockdown here in Ireland nearly 6 months now. We're going to be in lockdown till fucking May. I hate our government, they're useless. So when we get out of lockdown, I would definitely get more content. But until the next episode guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.